Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear friends, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear friends, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 1, and our today's topic is paragraph 1 to revision work. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Paragraph 1. My classroom. I am a student of class 1 in National Ideal English Version School. My classroom is on the 3rd floor. There are 10 sets of benches, a desk and a chair in the classroom. There is also a whiteboard on the wall. My classroom looks very nice. This is all about your paragraph number 1. Now paragraph number 2 is about milk. Milk is a liquid food. It's very nutritious. It's white in color. We usually get milk from cows and goats. Milk gives us energy. It is an ideal food. We should drink milk every day. This is all about paragraph 1 and 2, and you have also homework for your Eid vacation, and it's homework number 16, and it's about paragraph number 1 and 2. That means you have to do these two homework during your Eid vacation of Eid al-Fitr, and its submission date is 29 May 2021. That's why this is the end of the class. This is very much easiest class for you, and do the homework. Stay safe, stay home. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.